Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind. Where is the Miller family going for their vacation? What does Mrs. Miller include in the packing list? What do the children take with them for the flight? Now let's listen to the passage.
The Miller family is planning a vacation to Switzerland during the summer holidays. They begin by checking travel dates and booking flight tickets early to get good seats. Mrs. Miller makes a list of essentials to pack, including clothes, medicines, and travel documents. Mr. Miller confirms the hotel booking and arranges local transport for sightseeing. A day before the trip, the family packs their bags carefully. The children help by keeping their books and headphones for the flight. Since outside food is not allowed on international flights, they plan to have their meals served on the plane. Early in the morning, they leave for the airport and complete the security checks. Everyone feels excited about visiting the snow-covered Alps and the famous Swiss chocolate shops.
Where is the Miller family going for their vacation? The Miller family is going to Switzerland. What does Mrs. Miller include in the packing list? Clothes, medicines, and travel documents. What do the children take with them for the flight? They take their books and headphones. Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. Why don't they carry outside food for the flight? What is the Miller family excited to see in Switzerland? Why don't they carry outside food for the flight? Because outside food is not allowed on international flights. What is the Miller family excited to see in Switzerland? The Miller family is excited to see the snow-covered Alps and Swiss chocolate shops.